Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to install Apache NetBeans, a powerful IDE for Java, PHP, and more on Ubuntu 24.04. Whether you're a developer or just getting started, NetBeans is a great choice. Let's dive in. Open your browser and go to the official NetBeans website. The official NetBeans team provides a deb package specifically for Linux systems, which can be downloaded for Ubuntu 24.04. This deb package enables you to easily install the latest version of NetBeans on your Ubuntu 24.04 system. Alternatively, you can also use the wget command to download the Apache NetBeans. Just change the version number if there is a new version. After downloading the deb package, you can install NetBeans on Ubuntu 24.04 using the apt install command followed by the name of the NetBeans deb package. Once the installation is complete, open the application launcher and search for NetBeans. Click on the icon to launch it. Congratulations, you now have NetBeans installed on Ubuntu 24.04. You can start creating projects right away. To remove NetBeans from Ubuntu 24.04, you can use this command. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy coding.